It's here. We've taken all the features from the Can-Am X3 EXR fuel tank and brought them to the Polaris Turbo S. No more carrying extra fuel over the hot engine or telling your buddies you can't go the distance. The tank, or should I say tanks, mounts under the floor beneath the front seats to keep the weight low and away from the engine. Together they store 8+ gallons of additional fuel. Like the Can-Am kit, this is a plug-and-play system that comes with everything you need to install today and be on the trail tomorrow. The install can be done with simple hand tools and basic mechanical skills. And what's better is it doesn't affect your car's stock fuel system. It bolts in with no welding required and is reversible in case you want to move it to a different vehicle. And what would the AGM EXR fuel tank be without the buddy hose? Be a hero and save a friend or stranded rider with this external port. Transfer the fuel they need to keep them going. If you're looking for a better way to extend the range of your 4-seat Polaris RZR Turbo S, go further with the AGM EXR fuel tank, now available for pre-sale.